Guys, this is my wood pile. I've been doing a lot of this for a long time now, for like a couple hours, 1 or 2, sawing these huge pieces of wood from that even bigger pile with this here chainsaw. Yeah, and this is my makeshift sawhorse. Yeah, it's pretty ghetto, I know, but hey, it works pretty good. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. Set the camera down. Oh, that is a big piece. Oh, yeah. This is probably going to be my toughest piece I've done. Actually, let's saw off this part first. Now, I am going to be cutting towards me, so I got to be a little careful. Oh. This is crazy. This is the toughest piece of wood I've done. Now that was just one part. That was just one part of this massive piece of wood I'm going to do. Wish me luck.